everyone, let's understand menstrual cycle within 1 minute, which is very important for boards as well as for your NEET. So you can see the phases of menstrual cycle here, and the first phase is menstruation phase, which is also called as bleeding phase, and it occurs from 1st to the 5th days of menstrual cycle. So what happens exactly here? Uterus lining जो है वो शेड करते हैं जिसकी वजह से bleeding होता है, ठीक है. Now the second phase is follicular phase, in which एक्चुअली होता क्या है कि प्राइमरी फॉलिकल गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू सेकेंडरी फॉलिकल इनटू टर्शियरी फॉलिकल, एंड टर्शियरी फॉलिकल फाइनली मैच्योर्स and gets converted into Graafian follicle, and it exists from 6th to the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. Now the third phase is ovulation phase, which occurs on the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. And exactly what happens here? So release of ovum occurs from the ovary. Now the last phase is luteal phase, which exists from 16th to 28th day of the menstrual cycle, and yahan par this is also called as post ovulation phase. And exactly what happens here? So here basically your uterus prepares for the fertilization process. So agar fertilization hota hai tab to corpus luteum exist karega, and if it does not occur then corpus luteum gets degenerated in the ovary. Thank you. I hope you understood these phases. Thank you.